saying the laptop had all the earmarks of Russian disinformation. Can they ever be held accountable for that? Or because they get off scot-free on that one, because I think down in the letter somewhere they say it, you know, we think it has all the earmarks and caution. Like they kind of covered their butts with that.
Yeah, they never saw it. They admitted they never saw it. So why would you lend your voice to this? Look, this was another Democratic operation. This was subsidized by the FBI. Wanted this letter out. When you look at the timeline, the Post breaks the news of the laptop. I believe it's something like Wednesday, October. Don't hold me to exactly, but that's about right. This letter comes out about the 19th. The New York Times does a story trying to knock down the Post story on, I believe it is, period. And there's a presidential debate, I believe, on the 20th. So within this short period of October of 2020, during the presidential election, you have all this movement, and this story has a great potential to upend the election, because it's not about Hunter Biden, it's about Joe Biden.
Right.
And Tony Bobolinsky with the big guy, his 10%. And so I think what you have is a rush to shut. It can change the election results before Trump can win. That's about electing Joe Biden and stopping Donald Trump. So you have big tech, big media, you have the FBI, you have these former CIA leaders, all of them piling in to stop the election of Donald Trump, the re-election. That's a very significant event in American history. And here we are, still learning key details, and there's much we still don't know, Mary. I know you've got to go, just say quickly about the FBI effort. Was it a rogue operation, or was it run from the top? What else did it do? Did it alert the media? How much of a role did the FBI itself play? Who organized it?
Yeah, and those are, we do have to run here, is, you know, you wisely note this has been ongoing since the 2016 election. Trump from being elected, and I think they did it because they had no fear, because they know nothing's going to happen. No one is going to be dinged for this. No one's going to jail over this. If past performance is future prologue, no one's going to have their career ruined or their lives ruined over this. And that's something that
so far you're right, but I think the Leah event it could be a turning point.
Well, I hope so, and I've got to run. I'm so sorry, Michael. Thank you so much for joining me. You can check out Michael's article in the New York Post. Informative when I get to talk to him. I'm Mary Walter, and more's coming up on the Brian Kilmeade Show.
Learning something new every day on the
Black Friday savings are extended at Ashley. Through Monday, find huge discounts on every room in your home. And get up to 50% off holiday hot buys throughout the store and online. Plus, get 60-month special financing with no money down and no minimum purchase. You've waited all year for deals this good. Hurry into your local shop and save today. Only at America's #1 furniture and mattress store. Ashley. See store ashley.com for details.
Membership fees apply after free trial. Cancel anytime.
Can I be real for a second? That goal you have to exercise and eat better, you can do it, but nobody is going to do it for you. And nobody has to, because you can do it if you have the right tools and a community that cares about helping you get results. And that's us, Beachbody. It's as convenient as your TV or laptop. Decide that you're worth it. Let us help you succeed. Here's how. Go to beachbody.com to claim your free membership and start feeling great.
This holiday season, switch to Boost Mobile and get a single line unlimited plan for $25 a month and
a partridge in a pear tree
coverage on America's largest 5G networks.
How about 7 swans of swimming?
No. Not satisfied within the first 30 days, Boost gives you your money back.
Turtle Dove. subs. French ends?
The lowest truly unlimited plan on the market. One line for $25 a month when you switch.
I'll take it.
Boost Mobile. Unleash your power. Limited time offer. New customers only. One line for $25 a month with auto. Device must be returned in like new condition. Monthly service refunded via e-gift card. Additional restrictions apply. See your local Boost Mobile store for details.
Come strengthen your pack at the new Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca. With over 50 attractions, we wanted to see how many we can name.
River Canyon Run, Oliver's Moonstone Maze, Tin Pot Bowling, Howler's Peak Ropes, Tail Pond Wave Pool, Build-A-Bear Workshop, Story Time, a 4-story water fort.
40 more to go. And Wolf Lodge in Manteca is just a short ride away. Families have time to experience every attraction at the lodge. Great Wolf Lodge. Strengthen the pack.
Where can you smell fresh pine from the curbside pickup line? Lowe's, actually. Explore the holiday fun and check off every gift on your list during Winterfest at Lowe's, where you can save $100 on a Blackstone 30-inch flat-top grill. Now, or your choice of a DeWalt 20-volt Max brushless drill kit or Impact driver kit for just $99. Experience all of the festivities of Winterfest now. Only at Lowe's, home to any possibility. Offer valid through 12/21 while supplies last.
With one of the best savings rates in America, banking with Capital One is the easiest decision in the history of decisions. Even easier than choosing Slash to be in your band.
Next up for lead guitar. You're in.
No fees or minimums on checking and savings accounts. Is it even a decision? That's banking reimagined. What's in your wallet?
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank for details. Capital One and a member FDIC.
This week on RVER, sponsored by Progressive Insurance. I'm sorry, I can't operate on that vehicle.
The doctor, you took an oath.
That RV, it's...
Doctor, isn't there anything you can do?
I'm not a miracle worker, Sheila. I'm an RV surgeon, trained to save the lives of profession. When your RV really needs saving, Progressive has you covered. See if you could save with a leader. Where's the casualty insurance company? Everything's covered subject to policy terms.
The Venture X card from Capital One gives you more of what you love, like premium travel benefits and access to Taylor Swift tickets. Ooh, I do love her. Earn 5 times miles on flights and 10 times miles on hotels through Capital One Travel.
Enjoy your stay in Suite 13.
Well, 13? That's Taylor's lucky number. Plus, get access to Taylor Swift by Capital One. Maybe I'll see you there. The Venture X card from Capital One. What's in your wallet?
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com for details.
Season's greetings. Hey Dude Shoes here. Hey Dude Shoes has some of the comfiest, coziest shoes out there. Step into a pair, and it's like your toes have gone home for the holidays. Welcome home, toes. Hey Dude, good to go to.
This morning, we'll tell the story.
Had a long talk with both of them.
Don't happen a lot in L.A.
is a French Open champion again. TuneIn is the ultimate platform for audio lovers, giving listeners like you instant access to what you love. Live local radio,
BB 108.
sports analysis, play-by-play, breaking news around the clock, music for every mood, and even the podcasts you can't live without. It's all here on TuneIn.
Your favorite podcasts are a bit like close friends. Long commutes, tough workouts, and more. And TuneIn has your favorite shows right on deck. Whether you love cracking mysteries with true crime pods or catching up on news and sports with...
A talk show that's real. This is the Brian Kilmeade Show.
There is a long-running theme through Republican politics right now that big tech has censored conservatives. The term shadow banning, all these things that people talk about, how free speech from just conservatives has been muzzled, and I think they're going to use this, whether or not it actually shows anything of that. I think what it is that had a close relationship with Democrats, much closer relationship than with Republicans, and that is enough. That is enough to have Republicans say, "Aha, I've been talking about. We have been cast aside. People are censoring our speech."
So that was MSNBC analyst Brendan Buck with MSNBC anchor Lindsay Reiser on Saturday, talking about this the Twitter dump. And I did say earlier that that nobody was talking about it, but I did see one show on CNN I didn't see it. But notice what the angle was. Oh, this is just Republicans now can say, oh, look, we were right, you were wrong, and just poo-poo it. And you can see that they're stepping away from this because I think, I don't know if they actually realize that they were just as complicit, as Elon Musk pointed out, that they're just as complicit as everybody else when it comes to this as the censoring. Calls coming up, 866-408-7669 on the Brian Kilmeade Show.